We are going to introduce to you the materials and apparatus for experiment about adult neurons. First, the goggles, glass, cutter, tweezer, yarn, dropper, tool ruler, unknown sample inside the petri dish, distilled ACL, the saline solution, the push pin.
So we have a sample here for our examining adult neurons. So we have the first one is elefant leaf, lady's finger leaf, papaya leaf, sambong leaf or gabon leaf, ampalaya leaf, or bitter gourd.
Going to identify the frontal parts of the leaves. So we have here the eggplant leaf. So first we have the vein. Second, we have the midrib. And the third is leaf blade. And also the tip and the margins, the venulus, the lip base, and the petioles, the axil, now we have the abaxial part of the eggplant leaf.
Papaya leaf, apex, margin, vein, petiole, base, dorsal surface, ventral surface, and midrib. The abaxial part of papaya leaf.
Part of lady's finger leaf. Your first is apex, vein, petiole, leaf base, dorsal surface, ventral surface, margin, midrib.
Adduction part of the sambong leaf or the gabon leaf. First, the margin, the leaf blade, the leaf base, the axil, the petiole, the midrib, venules, the vein, lastly, the tip. The abaxial part of the sambong leaf or the gabon leaf.
Part of the Ampalayan and battered gourd. So we have this apex, margin, the vein, the base, and also the petrol, the dorsal surface, the ventral surface, and the midrib surface.
Third identification sample. Under the third identification sample, we'll have the cannabis adulterans, leaf type, venation, margin, other characteristics, color, smoothness, etc. First, we'll have the papaya. It has palmately compound, palmate, serrate. It has a dark green, rough, strong aroma, and light green midrib. While the sambong, it has a simple, pinnate, serrate, and dark green, rough, mild strong aroma, and dark green midrib. The bitter gourd, it has a palmately compound, palmate, serrate, green, smooth, good leafy aroma, and has a green midrib. For the lady's finger, it has a palmately compound, palmate, cerulate, it has a dark green, rough, slightly good leafy aroma, and lastly, light green midrib. Last part is the eggplant. It has a palmately compound, palmate, undulate, pure dark green, rough, slightly aromatic, and lastly, light green midrib. Fourth step. Now, we are undergoing microscopic test.
Diluted hydrochloric acid is a low concentration solution of hydrogen chloride in water used across industrial, laboratory, and medical fields. Industrially, it cleans rust from metals, pickling, adjusts pH in water treatment and manufacturing, and acts as a reactant to produce chemicals like PVC and fertilizers. In labs, it is used for acid-base titrations and sample preparation, while medically, it aids in gastric function testing and helps adjust pH in pharmaceutical formulations. Saline solution is a mixture of sodium chloride and water, most commonly in 0.9% concentration that matches the salt balance of human body fluids. Its primary medical uses include fluid replacement for hydration, cleaning wounds and eyes, and relieving nasal congestion by flushing mucus. It also serves non-medical purposes like caring for new piercings, soothing sore throats when gargled, and maintaining cell integrity in laboratory work.
Bitter gourd leaf. No chemical. normally shaped, evenly distributed in the cytoplasm with intact membranes and small starch grains. Cell walls are clear and rigid. Some epidermal cells may have silica deposits. Diluted hydrochloric acid. Cells may be string or become disorganized, and mesophyll layers lose clarity. Cell walls soften or appear thinner over time. Trichromes may detach or get damaged. Chlorophyll degrades, causing discoloration. Membranes may swell or break down, and starch grains may dissolve. Silica deposits remain relatively intact, but secondary metabolites may react with acid, altering their appearance. Saline solution. Plasmolysis occurs. The cytoplasm and cell membranes shrink and pull away from the rigid cell wall, creating visible gaps. Epidermal layers may slightly deform, and stomata close to reduce water loss. Cluster or shift position. As the cytoplasm contracts, membranes may bulge slightly and chlorophyll content may be decreased marginally. Lady's finger leaf. No chemical. Maintain their normal shape and position. The cell membrane stays pressed against the cell wall. No visible separation. No major changes. Diluted hydrochloric acid. The wall may break down or soften over time, making the wall appear thinner or less defined. May degrade, causing to lose their green color and become distorted. Saline solution. Cells undergo plasmolysis. The cytoplasm and cell membrane shrink and pull away from the rigid cell wall, creating a visible gap. No breakdown of structural components. Changes are purely physical due to water moving out of cells.
Cannabis. No chemical. Two main types are visible. Cycolytic hairs look like small bear claws with a calcium carbonate deposit at the base, while glandular hairs resemble mushrooms and are the primary sites for producing cannabinoids and terpenes. Lip surface shows stomata, tiny pores for gas exchange, and stem cross-sections display vascular bundles for nutrient transport. Diluted hydrochloric acid (HCl). When added to cyclic hairs, small bubbles form at the base due to the reaction between under acidic conditions. CBD may convert into psychoactive cannabinoids like THC, though this change may require additional analysis to visualize directly under a standard light microscope. Saline solution. Saline generally does not produce distinct visible changes to trichomes or cell structures under a light microscope. However, high concentration saline can cause cells to shrink due to osmotic stress, which may be observable in live samples as a reduction in cell sugar pressure.
Sambung leaf without chemicals. Mature leaves have distinct pellicid and spongy mesophyll layers. Epidermal cells are tightly arranged with trichomes. Hairs first developing on the layer surface. Stomata are open and evenly distributed, normally shaped, evenly spread in cytoplasms with intact membranes with small starch grains. Cells walls are clear and rigid. Essential oil-containing structures may be visible in some cells. Sambung leaf with diluted hydrochloric acid or HCl. Cells may shrink or become disorganized. Mesophyll layers lose clarity. Cell walls soften or appear thinner over time, and stomata may deform or close. Chlorophyll degrades, causing discoloration. Membranes may swell or break down, and starch grains may dissolve. Trichomes may detach or gets damaged. Essential oil components may be altered out. Sambong leaf with saline solution. Plasmolysis occurs cytoplasm and cell membranes pull away from cell walls, creating visible gaps. Epidermal layers may slightly deform and stomata close to reduce water loss. Cluster or shape position as cytoplasm contracts, membranes may bulge, and chlorophyll content may decrease slightly. Cell walls remain intact, no breakdown of structural components.